Good afternoon, one and all. Let us go ahead with this topic for discussion, that is nothing but link building, which is a powerful off-page SEO technique. So what is link building? Say for example, we are studying in a college and there are two people who have been participating for the elections. So all the college students are expected to do a voting system and elect who can be considered as their representative in the college, as the college leader. So ideally people will vote, and the number of votes will decide who has more connectivity with the people around him or her. So more connectivity means more stronger network and somebody who is considered to be most appropriate. So this is similar to the link building activity. There are so many websites that have been created by website owners and with different content. So all the content, for example, if we are talking about digital marketing, there is someone by name Neil Patel who is considered as a great person having great knowledge on digital marketing. So his website is ranked really high when compared to most of the new bloggers or new website owners. So everybody wants to have a link that has to be given to their website from his website, so that certain amount of link juice will be passed on to our website and it will increase the page ranking of our website. So what do you mean by link juice? Whenever a particular website having a high page rank refers the content from another website, then there is every possibility that its credibility is passed on to the lower website in some kind of juice or votes. You remember the concept of the college elections? Similarly, they are actually voting, stating that this person has relevant content and users might benefit from reading that content. So by doing this, the website which is at a lower ranking might increase its ranking value. So this is the concept of link building, because Google's algorithm uses this concept in order to give a good ranking to a website and ensure it will index that particular website accordingly. So let's go ahead with the session. So now that it is an open secret, Google will consider your website not just on the basis of relevancy, not just on the basis of content, but also the number of links that your website is receiving from external source. If you get more links, your content is more likely to be viewed by people from different websites, and different websites are giving links to your websites, and thereby you are involved in a link building activity. Say for example, there are two websites, one is A and one is B. If A is giving a link to B, then A is considering that there is more relevant content in B when compared to A, and it is directing its traffic to use this link and get on to the B page and read the content there. Thereby, B's ranking will go high and the page ranking will improve when the Google runs its algorithm. So this is the concept of link building. So why links are very important? See, there are two types of links. One is a do follow link, one is a no follow link. Say for example, if there is a topmost website like Wikipedia, whose page rank is very high, most of the links that are actually going out from Wikipedia are considered to be as no follow links, because it does not want to allow its credibility being passed to lower sites with lower page ranking value. Similarly, the person who has recently come up with his website who has a very low rank value, he want to have a link from such kind of big sites like Wikipedia, so that his page ranking and his website ranking in Google search results page can improve accordingly. Now let us try to understand this concept with a very simple example. Say there are 4 people in a room and each of them are representing one group of people. Say there is a person by name Mr. Shrinu, there is a person by name Mr. Srinivas, Miss Vijaya, and Mr. Kiran. Each one of these four people represent a group of people. Shrinu represents around 1,000 people, Srinivas represents around 1,500 people, Vijaya represents around 2,000 people, and Mr. Kiran is representing around 5,000 people. So Kiran has maximum number of votes. So if there is one particular person who want to contest for elections and Shrinu, Srinivas and Vijaya are supporting that person, however, Kiran is supporting somebody else. In this case, Kiran's decision will be taken into consideration. The reason being, Kiran has 500 more votes when compared to all three of them put together. So their cumulative value is lesser than Kiran's value. So this is what is the importance of having credibility from a website. So whenever you are building links, it is important that you get links from a website which has a high page ranking value. I hope this will clarify your link building understanding. Okay. So that is something we term as authority. Authority of a website is dependent on the page rank value. So if the page ranking is really high, the authority is high. And when the authority is high, you have a larger say when compared to the others. So how to secure the right kind of links? See, it is pretty much aware that by the end of this page, you should be understanding. If I get 10 links, it doesn't mean my website will rank the best. I should get 10 qualitative links. Forget the fact, even if I get 2 qualitative links from websites like Wikipedia or any topmost websites, I'm sure my page ranking will increase because there is some amount of link juice that is passing on to my website, which is helping to build the credibility of my website and let Google know that this is something which has a lot of value, and websites with high page ranks are referring to his content. So this aspect is called as link building. However, when you are new in the market, you tend to get links from wherever possible. You don't even care whether that's a content is relevant. You just keep getting irrelevant links, and this is called as a link spamming, and which is a black hat SEO technique. Many people are not aware of it, and when they do this, their website or their web page is actually thrown into dustbin by Google. So Google crawlers will ensure it reaches the spam box, and the website credibility is completely lost. Now we all also understand the second important point, that not all links will carry the same weightage. It should be very clear that links from high page ranking websites, that is high authoritative sites, will have more value. They carry more powerful link juice when compared to smaller websites with lower page ranking or lower authority. So do not just get links from wherever possible. Don't end up in link spamming. You might lose your website to the sandbox. So ensure that you are only putting proper research, proper planning, and then decide where you need to take the links from. So get links from relevant websites which have a higher page value than yours, so that it can make your website much better. I hope you understood the basic concepts. So with this, we will end the session. Have a nice day. It was really nice talking to you.